Hello everyone, welcome back. So if you are exploring the Solana ecosystem, you have probably heard about Solflare Wallet. So is it the right wallet for you in 2025? Let's just try to find out in today's video. So Solflare Wallet is a versatile non-custodial wallet tailored for the Solana blockchain. It is designed for everyone, whether you are staking Solana, managing NFTs or diving into DeFi. The best part, it works across all devices, browser, mobile, and even desktop. It's like all-in-one control center for Solana, blending power and convenience effortlessly. Now let's explore why Solana is a top contender for Solana users in 2025. Solflare shines with its availability on web browsers, mobile applications, and even hardware wallets for added security. You can stake Solana directly in the wallet and choose your preferred validators to maximize your rewards. Features like password protected access, hardware wallet support, and secure recovery phrases ensure your funds stay safe. You can view, organize, and even send your Solana based NFTs seamlessly with the help of Solflare Wallet. You can connect your Solflare wallet directly to the DeFi protocols and dApps without leaving the wallet. Now, like any wallet, Solflare wallet has its strengths and limitations. So first, we will talk about the pros. It works on multiple devices, including ledger hardware wallets. It has straightforward staking options. It is reliable for NFT management and it has excellent security for both beginners and advanced users. If I talk about the cons, it supports only Solana assets, so it may feel overwhelming for the first time crypto users due to some of the advanced features that it offers. So setting up Solflare Wallet is quick and easy. You just have to simply go to your Google Play Store or App Store, and here you need to simply search for the Solflare Wallet. From here you can download the application, and if you are using the desktop, you can just simply download its browser extension. Then you just have to create your account on it, and don't forget to securely save your recovery phrase because this is your key to restoring access if anything goes wrong. So Solflare Wallet is perfect if you are deeply involved in the Solana ecosystem. For staking rewards to NFT managements, it's a reliable choice for 2025. However, if you are into multi-chain wallets, you might need to look elsewhere. And if you want that, I have created dedicated videos on different types of wallets on my channel, so you can explore that. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can leave that down in the comment section, and I'm here to help you out with that. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.